Hello guys, welcome to another episode of Made in Spain Tool Hauls. This is the last episode of this series. Let me give you guys a quick background. I have been showing you guys tools by Bahco which are made in Spain. Some of you might know already that Bahco tools used to be made in Sweden in good old days. Then they moved their production in Spain along with the machineries. Bahco used to outsource some of their tools from Germany, Brazil and Argentina, even from USA too. But now Bahco mostly outsource their product from China or Taiwan. You can still find tools made in Spain, USA and Argentina bits in pieces. Like this ratchet is made in Argentina and these sockets are made in USA. I have already reviewed these tools in my channel. In recent time, I found killer discount from Finnish local shop. These tools I purchased are made in Spain and I believe these made in Spain tools are equally good as made in Sweden since the same machinery were moved from Swedish factory to Spain. I have got here 3/8 drive deep socket set. These are made in Spain and I tell you guys, these are high quality. I bought this just for 20 euros. The same set nowadays costs around 70 euros and those are made in China. It's crazy that these made in Spain socket cost me just 20 euros. It's a killer deal. Let's open up the box and see how these look. The part number of this set is FF1E2107EH. The socket sizes are from 6mm all the way to 19mm without any skips. Here it says made in Spain. The foam insert looks high quality. The foam is pretty thick. It's 55mm thick, 480mm in length and 185mm wide. Let's bring up some random socket. It's a 12mm socket. Nice Bahco fish logo. Socket is made of chrome vanadium. Chrome plating is nice and smooth. This socket is like flank drive of snap-on. It means it will not put pressure on the corner of the bolts, avoiding stripping off the corner. Let's check the smallest size. It's 6mm socket. It's got nice chrome job too. Bahco logo and sizes are nicely stamped. It feels quality socket. Here I have got the biggest socket, 19mm. Same story, nice chrome job, knurling is symmetrical. Fish logo is also nicely stamped. This socket has thicker wall which is good and bad depending on application. But I like heavy duty stuff. This socket certainly feels heavy and robust. Now I show you guys very interesting thing. I don't have Bahco 3/8 drive socket from made in China, but I have got here 1/2 inch Bahco socket which is made in China. Both are not comparable. I just want to show you something interesting. Both sockets are 19mm. Made in China socket does not look bad though. It's got better aggressive knurling. Both have nice chrome job with slight difference of the color tone. Now look at the walls. Both have almost same wall thickness. 3/8 socket supposed to have bit thinner walls when comparing to the 1/2 inch socket with the same size, but not in this case. Now look at the anvil side. 3/8 socket is way more thicker. It means it can take more impact. Look at that. Both have same thickness. I love the heaviness of socket. It's got more meat. Now let's test the socket. I have here Hazet ratchet. Socket seated smoothly and firmly. Socket is not wobbly, which is nice. Let's try snap-on ratchet on it. Again, socket fits good onto the ratchet firmly. Nice and smooth fitting. Here we have got Stahlwille bare handle ratchet. Socket sets on the ratchet smoothly and firmly. Last ratchet is to be tried on the socket is Facom. Again, socket seated nicely. Socket is not wobbly in this case too. Now I can see these made in Spain sockets are perfect example of good old days of quality tools by Bahco. I have been using half-inch socket already and those are going stronger as expected. I mean, getting such quality socket set just for 20 euros is a crazy deal. I am loving it so far. Alright guys, this is the end of this video and so is the Made in Spain series. I hope you guys have enjoyed the series. Feel free to comment below. And if you are not subscriber yet, consider to like and subscribe. Thanks for coming along. I will see you in another interesting video.